Imagine having a giant gas planet as a close neighbor to Earth, lurking in the nearest star system to our own. This mind-boggling concept has just become a lot more plausible thanks to groundbreaking discoveries made by scientists using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope. Located a mere 4.5 light-years away, this potential new planet would be a stone's throw from us in astronomical terms. And its proximity to a sun-like star raises intriguing possibilities about the existence of life-sustaining moons. But here's where it gets fascinating. The signs of this giant gas planet were initially detected last year, only to seemingly disappear in follow-up observations, leaving astronomers eager to prove its existence once and for all. As Dr. Carly Howitt, Associate Professor of Space Instrumentation at the University of Oxford puts it, 4 light-years is a long way, but in galaxy terms, it's very close. It's in our neighborhood. The similarities between the exoplanet star and our sun are particularly exciting for scientists, as they suggest that this star system could harbor habitable worlds. The potential planet, similar to our solar system's gas giants Saturn and Jupiter, would be enveloped in a thick gas cloud, making it unlikely to support life itself. However, it could have moons that are habitable, much like Jupiter's icy moons, which researchers believe could support life. This is the part that most people miss, the possibility of life existing on moons orbiting a gas giant planet, rather than on the planet itself. The James Webb Space Telescope, which is essentially the closest thing scientists have to taking photographs of distant objects, use direct imaging to detect the signs of this planet. But here's the challenge. These stars are incredibly bright, close, and move across the sky quickly, creating huge amounts of light that can block out nearby objects. As Charles Beichmann from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory notes, these are incredibly challenging observations to make, even with the world's most powerful space telescope. The fact that the planet was detected once in August 2024, but then seemingly disappeared when scientists looked for it again, is likely due to the planet being either behind the star or too close to be visible. Astronomers will now look for more signs of the planet, hoping to use a new NASA telescope, the Grace Roman Space Telescope, which is set to start operating in 2027. Future observations by the James Webb Space Telescope should also be able to reveal the composition of the planet using spectral imaging, building up a more detailed picture of what it looks like and how habitable any orbiting moons could be. And this is the part that sparks controversy. The possibility of life existing on moons orbiting a gas giant planet raises questions about the origins of life in our universe. Do you think the discovery of this potential planet could be a game-changer in the search for extraterrestrial life? Share your thoughts. Do you believe we'll eventually find evidence of life beyond Earth? Or are we alone in the universe?